Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the role of arthropods in agriculture, and this question was taken from the 2013 DBE Exemplar exam. So let's jump in. State one role of arthropods in agriculture for 1 mark. Now, although there are several roles, we're only going to write down one role, but I will mention some of the others. So firstly, what is an arthropod? An arthropod is an invertebrate, and they have an exoskeleton, a segmented body, and a pair of jointed appendages. So what role do they play in agriculture? Well, the first important role that should strike you is the fact that they play a role in plant reproduction, and specifically they are important for seed dispersal. Okay, so it's the only one I'm going to write down because that's what the question asked. But another important role that they play in agriculture is the fact that they are pollinators, and they can also be used in the biological control of pests. So they can assist farmers with getting rid of their pests. And that's it, guys. That'll give you your full mark. But before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials, and if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.